Ito Bethel Machini ase orobotioru. Abwatani bekyombe gia Red Cross nigo ase tamwentangani ase kalenda yechisemi bairalibaga eliogochora bali bakoroka Mr and Miss Red Cross ase county ya NYAMIRA korase gati y'abana b'eskuru ya senior ya Nyakiore kaukwana somo yigoyo mo bisakorase kyombe kyo gia Red Cross oyo tenenete chi county cha Kisii na boigo NYAMIRA Henry Sanya nigatebire buna n'OMOYEGA boigo kwa abasaili baga lyo kwinyulia unaninki babwenete gukora asobugi mu bwiga abo asaburira basaye belike lyo kwebwatania amone meyigende erebosyo korwa ase ekyombe kyo Mulikito Vincent Monda naika ase skuru ya Nyakiore na gutwaliganiria oroboti rero kumulikira ebiegwa biregati ya borokiwa
OMOYEGA oyo ase skuru eyo ya Nyakiore niga aborokiwa be skuru eyo banyolire chingaki chabene na korokia kelibanchete gose bakonyara gukora isiko ya masomo ye klasime egati yali abaorokire nechitengo chegekoro amangana yo mutwe amashairi okwanira abantu amona yanda amange Sanya Henry no mwabisakuru ekyombe kyo musarabo mubaliri.
We are here for a very special occasion planned by the youth under the Red Cross. In this exercise today, different themes are being presented, and they're presented by the young ones. We are looking out for creativity, confidence, the ability to express themselves, the overall outlook of the individuals, and then overall we are ranking them based on what they are able to present.
Abarokiwa bali abakoegia ko babaralia mbanyorali baga na kwaligania ejo chirengete gosemi umusae gosemi ebinyoro na bego chinchera bago kini ebiegwa byabo.
Pamoja na sisi leo tunao wageni afisa masuala ya vijana na watoto Debbie.
Afisa masuala ya sanaa Keti.
Afisa masuala ya vijana mtaani Letaipa.
Thank you for this opportunity. You know the most positive impacts of youth engaging themselves in talents is the chances of them involving in crimes are very minimal. And so they become responsible for their lives through talents.
Thank you, Ali, for the question. Let me just say that the youth are really struggling, at least maisha yao yawe sawa kupitia kwa sanaa. Kwa hivyo vijana wanahitaji pesa ambazo watanunua sare za michezo.
Omwarimu omonene w'eskuru ya Nyakiore Charles Yomosa nigo nera iriririe bagaliaye na gwakira aboroki bwabo buya ase koira chingaki chabo na kumanyekania ebiegwa byabo ase gekakiange.
Sasa nimeona kwa macho yangu the kind of talents which we can be able to have. Wakati mlikuwa mnanisukuma modeling tunataka hii, I didn't know what sort of outcome I could have expected. I want to thank you more sincerely everybody for having participated. I have seen a lot of talents which we need to nurture. Everybody is a winner. Everybody is what?
Sanya nigo naenda tebire OMOYEGA oyu nigo rengete kwagacha bwikiranu obogima bwa bali abagokina bono.
We were planning for this activity to just nurture talent. It's actually what we call a talent search. It is one of its kind in NYAMIRA. The intention is to try and build an all-rounded person. That person who is good academically and of course considering that nurturing their talents could be their future. And so that's what we are also trying to do here. But the baseline is also like we are recruiting as many junior Red Crossers as there is, so this is becoming an attraction.
Tulikuwa tunatafuta Mr. and Miss Red Cross NYAMIRA County. There was a very stiff competition. Number 1, Atieno Princess. Any issue, yeye ndo mnaambia, anaambia patron, inatufikia kwa ofisi, si ndio? Mnaona aje? Ameng'ara. Alright. Sashe.
Sanya niga segetira basaye no nyambale bakore chiskuru bebwatani nekyombe kyo musaraba mubaliri asemerega yabo yakira chingaki.
We want to encourage all the young people out there who are now out of school to come and join us even during this holiday. Let's do more activities together, be able to keep ourselves busy, away from trouble, and at the same time nurturing our talents and creativity.
Namshukuru Mungu kwa siku ya leo, imekuwa siku njema, tulianza vizuri mpaka hapa tumefika. Hadi natamani tuendelee tu.
Kiukweli tunajivunia sana siku ya leo ili kutuimarisha kitalanta kisanaa. Sanaa ni jambo ambalo muhimu sana. Pia nakumbuka tumeambiwa kwamba talanta inalipa.
Kore skuru ya Nyakeore imeye bunge ya West Mugrango e kaunti Nyamira, nje Vincent Monda imeye Nsoko TV.